Hello. So we're back with some rough looking hair. In today's video, we're going to be trying out some new products that will hopefully help my hair from looking like this. I'm going to be trying the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hairline. I'm so excited because I've seen a lot of good stuff about it, so here we go. So the first thing I'm doing is shampooing my hair with the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin hydrating shampoo. It says it's a hydra boosting effective cleanser for healthy looking hair. It's to cover split ends and help your hair to be shinier and softer. And this formula has hyaluronic acid infused and a hydrating formula to help add a gloss to your hair. So first thing I'm going to do is put it in my hand. I'm going to massage this all throughout my scalp and all throughout my hair, since this is claiming to help my hair be more shiny and soft, and I definitely need that because girl, this shit is dry. I do like how it's sudsing up. It's not too much, but it's just enough to know that my hair is getting clean. So now that my hair is rinsed, this is the part that I've been waiting for. The Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask. And when I tell you, I am so shook because this is really thick. It's so moisturizing, just like it says. I am literally obsessed with this hair mask. So I'm just going to put it in my hand and finger rake it throughout my hair. It also smells very good, which is a bonus because, y'all, like, who doesn't want good smelling hair? So this mask, it says to leave on for 10 minutes, and if you want to, you could leave it on overnight. I didn't do that since I was kind of in a rush, so just 10 minutes for me. And it says to use it at least once a week, and you should deep condition your hair once a week anyway, so this is a perfect deep conditioner for that. My hair feels literally so smooth. It feels like it's turning my hair into butter. Alright, now my hair is all rinsed. Now I'm going to go in with the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Hydrating Cream Conditioner. And even though this is a regular conditioner, I felt like this conditioner is very thick and it's very smoothing. It also has hyaluronic acid, and it says it helps to really increase the hydration in your hair, and it makes your hair look more sleek and have less frizz, and I feel like it actually did that. I did leave a little bit in my hair, didn't rinse all of it out just because that's what I usually do, so yeah. Now I'm going to detangle my hair. I'm using the Hair Edit hairbrush. I will have a video coming on this brush soon, and there will be a giveaway, so yeah, stay tuned for that. As y'all can see, my hair looks so soft, so smooth. It's not tangled anymore. I'm literally obsessed. Alright, so this is what my hair looks like after. Fresh, clean, hydrated. It's so defined, so curly. I love it. So yeah, like I said, I will have a link down below for all these products. Go ahead, check it out if you guys are interested. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.